Hi, my name is Robert Detweiler, Senior Director of Product Management at Planar. I'm here at InfoComm 26 at the Planar booth, and what you're looking at behind me is our Cobra series. Our Cobra series is a LED fine pitch platform that's available in a 06, 07, 09, and 12 pixel pitch. But what makes this extremely different than anything else in the market is two technologies that are inside the Cobra series. So we've actually taken a lot of time to focus on enhancing the LED technology itself, and we've done that with two different things going on. We have our true micro LED technology, which shrinks the micro LED die down to 40 by 20 micrometers. What this allows us to do, it allows us to improve manufacturing process, manufacturing or engineering designs. We pushed all these LEDs together so we get cleaner, more uniform colors. You can actually see that in a demo that I have to my left, where you can see that we put that in a view that is a V shape, and you can see how the colors are much more consistent across a inside corner. But what also makes the technology very, very unique is we decided that because we had so much more room with the small LED subpixels, we decided to make redundancy out of it. And that is our EverPixel technology, where we have 2 reds, 2 greens, and 2 blues. That redundancy in the pixel itself means that the potential of having a pixel, a dead red, happen in one location, very, very small. The odds of having 2 reds go out versus 1 is very, very small. So the idea is that you, the user, anybody that's looking at the wall, shouldn't be able to find if there's a problem based on odds of that redundancy. You can find out more about this product, Cobra, EverPixel, and True Micro on our website at planar.com.